I made my project to be a machine learning algorithm that can detect whether a user has depression or not by only looking at their social media comments. And so using this machine learning model, I reach an accuracy of 76%. So what this means is that for a user, by just looking at their comments, my machine learning algorithm can correctly identify whether the user is depressed or not 76% of the time. This is useful because, for example, if you're a public health official and you're looking to screen a large number of online users, then this could help because 76% of people with severe depression don't even seek treatment. And a major factor for this is because they don't think that their depression is serious.
Donc, mon projet, il s'appelle Calmos. Donc, c'est une application pour faire le suivi des élèves qui ont un trouble anxieux en utilisant les biomarqueurs de l'anxiété, une intelligence artificielle et un objet connecté. Mon système peut aussi anticiper et prévenir les crises d'anxiété des élèves en même temps de proposer du support optimal à ces élèves. Donc, j'ai commencé ce projet de mon expérience personnelle avec l'anxiété. Je me suis fait diagnostiquer d'un trouble anxieux en secondaire 1. Et pour être honnête, ça a été une période assez difficile de ma vie parce que je trouvais que le support, spécialement dans les écoles, pas adapté à mon besoin. Il y a aussi le fait que 65% des élèves en secondaire 1 au Québec souffrent de l'anxiété de performance.
People think that refugees, after fleeing their country and fleeing violence, war, and persecution, they think that their challenges are over. And coming to such a prosperous country like Canada, where they have so many economic opportunities, that all the challenges that they may face have ended once they have arrived in Canada. But the truth is, refugees still continue to face problems and challenges after arriving in their new country.
In addition to this, 83% of refugees own a smartphone, and there's a growing need for a digital infrastructure to support refugees resettling in Canada. And that's why we built Refugee Pal, a novel all-in-one app for refugees living in Canada.
So my project Circulate is all about trying to save lives by fixing a broken blood distribution system in India. So my main goal when I started the project was to try to create an impact by tackling a real world problem. And the problem is that India faces an annual blood shortage of around 2.3 million units of blood, which represents about 18% of the total volume. And so the reasons behind the shortage can be grouped into one of these three major root causes. And after spending weeks talking to people working in blood banks in India, I decided to focus on the third root cause, which is the lack of infrastructure for the safe transportation of blood. And that takes us into the sort of phases. So I've been working on this project for a year now, and it went through 4 distinct phases of the scientific method. I started on my hypothesis, I then built the algorithm prototype. I then flew to India to get on-the-ground validation and feedback from blood banks. I then iterated the final algorithm, and I'm now trying to deploy a pilot program with real hospitals and blood banks.